All right, it's time for the landlord tip of the day. I'm here in the bathroom of one of the apartments that we just closed on, and I'm doing a lot of things from furnishing the apartment. You see, I still have this bed that I gotta do, and then we just put this queen mattress foam in here, the carpet. So it's a busy week. Now, the landlord tip for today that I'm gonna share with you is in the bathroom, and specifically the mirror. Have you seen mirrors like this? Do you own this mirror where it's still good and you don't wanna throw it away because there's just this one ugly thing? I'm gonna turn it around. There's this ugly thing in the mirror that has lost its shine, or the the silver part of it. So let me show you what I mean. You see this mirror? It has that unevenness of the mirror itself. It's not showing very clearly if you can see that. This is what I mean by it, and I do not like to see that. But then again, I don't want to spend the money. I don't want to spend the money just because of this slight imperfection in the mirror right? What did I say? Window? In the mirror of your bathroom. Now, so what I do is I bought this. It's like a tint, right, for the window, to block off sun or the glare. And you can use this for, for doors or windows that have glass in them. So this actually blocks off, it's a one-way. So where if you have a person inside, then it's not visibly seen from the outside. So I try to repurpose it by also applying it in the mirror here. So this is what I do. What I did now, okay? So I'm gonna show you what it is, right? So that's ugly, right? And then now what I did is cut a strip of this and then cover it off. In that way, it hides the imperfection of your mirror. So it's not as ugly looking as it was. It does its purpose, which is, cover this unsightly, for me it's unsightly, but some can tolerate it. So I just use this strip here. I just cut this using this piece of tint, which you can buy online. So I hope I shared some valuable things, especially if you're a beginner landlord, or if you have several properties and you see this in your bathroom mirror. So this is one of the easiest way that I've found so far, and have applied it to several of my mirrors in my apartments. So my dear friends, that is all for today. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll be busy with furnishing our apartments here. So until next time, take care and God bless.